Hi, here I have the a Ford Fiesta 2015. Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the CR2032 battery. Okay, see the if you release the key blade, okay, and then you see the gap in there. See, you got a gap in there. Yeah, there's a hole in there. Use the flat head screwdriver, right? Put it in there. You want to separate these two pieces here, right? You just push it like that. It open up, you see. Once it's open up, yes, and then you just pull it apart like that. You pull it apart. You see the battery CR2032 battery is in there. Okay, just ply open like that. Okay, like, see, it's CR2032. Okay, to replace it, yeah, pop it in like that. Okay, line it up, line this up. Okay, you line it up, you place it down. Okay, once it's down, you just put it back in like that. Yeah, push it on like that. Yeah, and that's it, it's done. Yeah, this is Ford Fiesta 2015. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much.